Before we begin, take 1 second to subscribe, because this might be the most powerful video you'll hear all month. If you're tired of feeling lost, distracted, or stuck in the same mental loop, this message is for you. What you're about to hear isn't just ancient wisdom, it's a roadmap to take control of your emotions, master your reactions, and live with calm strength in a world that constantly tests you. Imagine waking up tomorrow with a mind so still that chaos can't shake it. Imagine being so centered that people wonder what's changed in you, why you don't overreact anymore, why you don't chase, why you're suddenly different. That's what these 12 Stoic principles can do. They don't just change how you think, they reshape who you are. Let's begin. 1. Control what you can. Accept what you can't. Every battle in your life starts in your mind. You can't control how others treat you, what happens around you, or the storms life throws your way. But you can control how you respond. The Stoics taught that peace begins when you stop wasting energy on what's outside your control. When something hurts you, ask yourself, is this within my power? If not, let it go. This single principle can end half your suffering today. 2. Your mind is your kingdom. You become unstoppable the day you realize your mind is the throne, and every thought is a soldier. What you allow to stay inside your head builds or destroys your empire. Guard it fiercely. Refuse to be a prisoner of negativity. Train your mind every morning. Feed it gratitude, discipline, and silence. 3. Discomfort is a teacher, not an enemy. Growth is born in pain. The Stoics never ran from struggle. They welcomed it as training for the soul. Every hardship is a hidden mentor whispering, "You're being strengthened." When things get hard, don't ask, "Why me?" Ask, "What is this teaching me?" 4. Focus on action, not emotion. Don't let your emotions decide your actions. Let your principles decide them. When anger rises, stay calm. When fear strikes, take one small step forward. Life respects the doer, not the dreamer. Stoicism is not about being emotionless. It's about acting wisely in spite of emotion. 5. Time is your most precious currency. We spend time like it's infinite, but it's not. Every hour you waste in anger, gossip, or regret is a piece of your life you'll never get back. Ask yourself every morning, if today were my last, would I live it like this? Live with intention. Stop postponing your peace. 6. Silence is strength. In a noisy world, silence is a superpower. The loudest person in the room is rarely the wisest. Train yourself to listen more than you speak. Observe, think, and act only when necessary. The Stoics believed words should serve purpose, not ego. Mastering silence makes your presence louder than your voice ever could. 7. Expect the unexpected. The Stoics practiced something called premeditatio malorum, the premeditation of misfortune. They mentally prepared for life's challenges before they came. Why? Because when you expect difficulty, you meet it calmly. You don't crumble, you adapt. Life is unpredictable, but your response doesn't have to be. 8. Serve, don't compare. Comparison is a thief of peace. The Stoics didn't chase validation, they served their purpose. If you want to transform your life, stop asking, "Why not me?" and start asking, "How can I help?" Service gives life meaning. The more you give, the lighter your heart becomes. 9. Detach from opinions. The world will always have something to say. But remember, opinions are wind. They only move you if you let them in. Stand firm in your values, stay rooted in your mission, and let criticism pass through like a breeze through open hands. True freedom is caring more about your character than your reputation. 10. Practice gratitude. Daily. A Stoic heart is never poor. Gratitude turns every small thing into gold. No matter how tough life gets, there's always something to thank the Creator for. Your breath, your strength, your chance to start again. Gratitude doesn't ignore pain, it transforms it. 11. Choose purpose over pleasure. Modern life teaches us to chase comfort, but comfort breeds weakness. The Stoics knew that pleasure fades, but purpose builds legacy. Wake up each day with a reason bigger than yourself. Do something hard, something meaningful. Let discipline replace desire, and you'll find peace deeper than any pleasure can give. 12. Remember, you will die. So truly live memento mori. Remember, you must die. This isn't a morbid thought, it's a wake-up call. Life is short. Don't waste it on grudges, ego, or fear. Every sunrise is a reminder that time is running out, and that's exactly what makes it precious. So live today, as if it's your masterpiece. These 12 Stoic principles aren't just ideas. They're tools. If you start applying even one of them today, your life will shift. You'll speak differently, think differently, feel differently. The truth is, transformation doesn't happen in a year. It happens in a moment of clarity. This could be that moment for you. So take a deep breath. Control what you can. Accept what you can't. Be calm in chaos. Be still in noise. And remember, peace isn't found. It's built. If this message touched you, subscribe for more Stoic guidance like this, and begin your journey toward unshakable strength. Because once you master yourself, the world can't break you anymore.